In today's video, we will explain the process of updating the Office 365 instance with manual federation to support Microsoft Graph. Before we begin the process, the prerequisites are an Office 365 application that uses manual federation with PowerShell configuration for single sign-on, Microsoft Graph or Microsoft Online PowerShell module installed, an app administrator role in Okta to migrate the issuer URI format of Office 365 single sign-on applications, a global administrator role in Microsoft to run the PowerShell scripts and update domain federation settings. To begin, download the file named 365scripts.zip under the File Attachment section of the Knowledge Base article in the description. Once the file is downloaded, extract the file. Run the verification script named O365 issuer URI verify msgraph.ps1 in PowerShell to check for domains for which the issuer URI format is in the old format. Ensure all the domains listed in the O365 domains to be migrated.csv file are federated using manual with PowerShell. If any domains use automatic configuration, remove them from the file before running the migration script. Run the migration script named O365 issuer URI migrate msgraph.ps1 in PowerShell to automatically update the domain's issuer URI format to the supported version. Ensure that all the domains are successfully migrated and validate whether the issuer URI is updated by running the following command. You will find the command in the description. Now log on to the Okta admin console. On the Applications page, click the Migrate Format button. And finally, check the box and click the Migrate Format button. For more Okta support videos, check out the Okta support playlist. We encourage you to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest help resources.